Hello, my name is Dr. Baharav. I am a psychotherapist and doctor of clinical hypnosis. Today I would like to discuss the topic of OCD. Now, OCD is obsession compulsion disorder, which expresses itself in a form of doubt in the mind. Now, that form of doubt is the way that OCD is expressed in the brain, and as that doubt is being expressed, it'll be manifested in two categories, whether it's thoughts, which could be any thought in the world, or it'll be the category two, which is checking, repeating. It could be germs, could be washing hands, but very important to understand that OCD will always come with anxiety and be expressed in a loud, rough, nervous, pressured way. That's the way to diagnose OCD. OCD is basically treated in terms of its symptoms. Whether the person has the need to check, repeat, or has certain thoughts. But the actual problem is not the actual washing the hands or the specific thought. The real problem is the OCD itself. And in treatment, what we do is we get to the OCD and treat it at its root. Which again, what's going to happen is the root is the actual OCD, and then we have the expression of doubt. And then we have the manifestation, whether it's going to be checking, repeating, hand washing, germs. And it's very interesting that the OCD itself is going to grab onto certain topics. Or it could be a category of thoughts, any thought in the world. But very important for the listeners to understand that that's not the problem. The problem is OCD. That's only an expression of the problem. Okay? Now, unlike other techniques, when I treat OCD, like all my techniques, it's made to measure according to the actual client. Okay? So what happens here is we have a made-to-measure technique that doesn't deal with the actual expression, but it deals with the OCD itself. And I am a doctor of clinical hypnosis, and I will deal on a subconscious level, thereby creating in the subconscious mind a disturbance, building in the subconscious mind basically what will disturb the root of the OCD, and thereby the actual symptoms cannot be expressed. And also OCD comes with anxiety. And when I say anxiety, I don't mean regular anxiety. I mean just like somebody has anxiety, you have to times it by 10 to understand how strong the OCD is. And OCD will always come with anxiety. And it'll come in a loud, rough, nervous, pressured way. As the OCD goes down, the anxiety goes down. We have a flip side of anxiety is depression. So a lot of times clients will experience OCD, anxiety, and depression. And depression is from the first symptoms to go away because it's a flip side.